Hello and welcome to another video from the shed. This time I'll be going through one of my side hustles beside machining and other projects. Some years ago I prototyped a drilling rig for attaching to a mini excavator. Back then I had some really big rocks or a little part of a mountain that I wanted to remove so I could have space for a boater in between the seasons. After the first prototype I saw a lot of improvements for the rig and I wanted to construct another one. And the first one was sold on an online used market here in Norway. I actually got a lot of response on that ad, and fast forward until today, I have now sold around 25 of these attachments. So in this video, I'm generally going through the assembly of the parts. All the parts that I show you in this video is designed myself and cut out with my CNC plasma and then welded together. Hope you enjoy. So here we have the drilling attachment for excavators. I've been doing this for some years now. I think I've delivered around 20 to 25 attachments last 3 years. So it's been more and more popular. It's mainly designed for mini excavators up to about 5 metric tons. The key with this tower is that it's meant to be a simple design that is cost effective and easy to maintain. So it's driven by this hydraulic engine with the sprocket, and here we have on this particular tower, it's constructed for a 2-ton machine with a S30 attachment. And here we have what I call the elevator, which is the fixture for the jackhammer. On this particular tower, the customer has his own jackhammer, so I just had to make the fixture for him. And on this side you have this quick lock system with the bushing inside. That is to wear out when the drill pipe is going through. Like this, so it's easy to change out the drill pipe.